Hi Alex, thanks for sending in your next essay. Well done working so hard. You're doing brilliantly. Great effort here. So these days problems with pollution are becoming worse, particularly in large cities. What are the reasons for this and how can this be solved? Okay, problem solution essay, classic kind of question for IELTS, and you're going to look at the reasons and offer me some solutions as well. So environmental issues such as air, water and noise pollution have been rising dramatically during the last 50 years, especially in heavily populated cities. Good. This is due to the vast usage of vehicles and manufacturers with great emissions, maintaining high standards of living for numerous dwellers. There are a number of possible solutions which should be implemented to alleviate the negative impact on cities' environments. Fantastic. What a lovely start. The vast usage of vehicles and manufacturers. Mm, okay, rather than manufacturers, or I think it might be clearer to say manufacturing companies with great emissions. I think it might be a little bit clearer there. Maintaining high standards of living, very interesting. Yes, for numerous dwellers. Okay. I'm not sure if the companies maintain a high standard of living, but let's um, or allowing. Contributing. Nah. All right, go for maintaining, but do you know what I mean? I'm not sure that that necessarily connects to that idea. Now, positive solutions which should be implemented. Good, that's lovely. The main reason for pollution problems, rather than having pollution problems, I would say excessive is good because you've got the verb here. For excessive pollution problems is industrial emissions of carbon dioxide. Using coal, oil or natural gas as a source of power for the majority of manufacturers, just S there, emits tremendous amounts of pollution without, now, careful here, so without restrictions or with practically no restrictions. Okay, so I'm going to go here with practically no restrictions. That's a very good point. In addition to this, they may not also use any filters to clean water before draining it to a city water system, filling one with dangerous chemicals. Okay, you've got the right idea. Let's just work it out. In addition to this, this is the manufacturers, may not, careful here, may not also use any, watch out, may not filter. So get this into a verb. May, may fail to, let's do it this way, to filter toxic waste into, let's do it that way, okay? They may fail to filter toxic waste into clean water before draining it to a city water system, filling this, so this is the water system, with dangerous chemicals. Therefore, the problem should be tackled by introducing allowable emission levels for the industrial sector. Good. If authorities took this action, it would encourage manufacturers to invest more money in modernisation and renovation of air quality filtration systems to escape punishment and potential closure. Lovely. I like how you are organising this. Problem solution, problem solution. You can, depending on the essay, do all the problems or all the reasons for something in one paragraph, and obviously all the solutions in the other. It doesn't matter. This is really nicely done. The problem should be set to, yeah, if authorities took this action, nice conditional, it would encourage manufacturers to invest more money. You've had manufacturers a lot. Can we find another word for this? Corporations or just industry would be good. Either of those are possible, just to vary your vocabulary a little bit here. Otherwise, really nice, good. Another reason for, again, you don't need having. Another reason for air and noise pollution in big cities is massive, okay. Rather than big cities, why don't you go for urban areas, a little bit more academic, is massive I don't like massive, bit informal. Significant usage of cars or significant dependence on cars. Although the majority of large cities have developed public transport networks, people are still prone to using their private cars as it provides comfort and mobility at an affordable price. Absolutely. Not only do cars emit enormous amounts of carbon monoxide, but they also generate noise pollution that exceeds the standards. Excellent. I would go, yeah, not only, um, that's really nice. Not only do, let's just, I want to get some adjectives in here. Not only do, um, maybe the older, older, um, diesel cars, maybe emit enormous amounts of carbon dioxide. So obviously electric cars wouldn't. Not only do, but they also generate noise pollution, okay, that exceeds the standard, the usual standards or the acceptable, sorry, or legal. Okay, so don't forget to add adjectives. I love the grammar that you're putting in here. Super grammar work, really, really good. But get the adjectives in there as well, just to show me what you want. However, measures can be taken by forbidding any transport with an internal combustion engine in the city centre and implementing, and instead should come up here, and instead implementing eco-friendly ways of transportation. I'll just cut that. Such as emission-free public transport, bicycles and scooters. This solution might encourage city dwellers to change their fossil fuel-powered cars to electric ones or use alternative transport for at least a short commute. Excellent. Well done. Lovely, lovely writing. In conclusion, it's clear that city authorities cannot fully eradicate pollution issues. However, they could alleviate it by introducing new rules and restrictions for the biggest polluters. Well done. Excellent. I think that's a really, really solid essay. You've done really well there. You've answered the question very clearly. Your coherence is really good. So the flow of the essay is really good. Problem solution, problem solution. I really like that, how you've done it. And great work on the grammar. Really, really big effort showing good grammar structures there. It's excellent. The only thing I'd say, maybe, you know, I love adjectives. Maybe add in some more adjectives. Maybe here where you're having measures can be taken. You could put in council measures just to show that it's a local issue to do with the town, tackled by, so if governmental authorities. So again, these little words, but they're quite useful for IELTS style writing. Okay? But otherwise, very, very well done. Good work on that. So let's just look at your letter. Okay, summer job. So letter to an employer. These task ones are quite clear. Tells you what to do. Introduce yourself, what kind of job and experience. Dear sir or madam, exactly, and you're ending up with yours faithfully. Good. My name is Alexander. I'm a third-year student of Technical University in Minsk. I'm writing to you with reference to the advert in the Job Day newspaper. Okay. The advert states you're searching for employees for one of your shops for the summer. I'd really appreciate it if you could consider my application for the consultant position in the technical department. I'm extremely enthusiastic about this job as I've always been interested in working with electronics and technical equipment. So, what job you like? My previous experience includes work in different types of stores. These jobs have helped me, so absolutely perfect so far. Here you need present perfect. Have helped me to develop soft skills and become. So, have helped me as your verb, to develop is a second verb, and to become also an infinitive. This is the main kind of verb structure, and these are extra verb clauses. A confident worker who can find the right approach to every customer. Actually, for every customer. Good. Now, again, in the same way as you had adjectives in the other one, who can politely and efficiently. So let's get some adverbs in here. Again, boost your Lexis. No, so there's no faults in this. It's fantastic. But if I wanted to upgrade it, I would be doing that for every customer. In addition to this, during my study at university, during my intensive studying at university, I gained. Now, that is the past simple tense you want there because it's finished. So watch out on your tenses. That is super important. So this is have helped. Underline that. And this should be past simple. I gained. You finished at university. It's gone. So we don't want that. Valuable technical knowledge that might be useful for this job. Okay, for this. Okay. I enclose my CV for your perusal. Yeah, fantastic. Lovely, lovely writing. Well done. Just well. Stop there to be technically on it. Fantastic, Alexander. Well done. Really, really like that letter. It's excellent. Okay. 2 really good pieces of work. Fantastic. Go, go. Stay well.